Hello everybody, thank you for clicking on my video. We're gonna do eyebrows. Okay, this is how we start. So tomago brush the eyebrows thinner, and then nage tomatsa ka thala ko morao wa bona ka mo ke thomang ko morao because in fa direction ko pele, and then mo pele mo kira akere we have to create that illusion ya hore the eyebrows tsa how di fade in, so line ela ke yona ya hore ya fade in. Now this is what I do on the second ear wabo direction eo, then ke sa godimo then ke setsa ko morao nage ka mo ke dira because again you go ira ngare ke tsa how, so go di brush ya irapi. So now I use this concealer called Avon. Yo, it's so nice guys. And then this then liner. This is how I line. Yo, it's sharp with that concealer. Ayo me sala wana hona di concealer zedi mo dia oma ela jo ya nna ngai bia so spark, and then lege to deba in I deba in bila like I omeli religious match sharp talo tlhabisa khalo berekisa ya oma especially mo bathong yo. Then I blend pone we blend ha mna te ya ne da anya gore we blend thata like to create in it for sneaky cloud. And then for godimo ke ntshweneng ke thatha foundation because I can go hore ke bo musweu modimo, and then e jumpise lining tlholo bona tsebe ya di disturb bjang di eyebrows tsebe go kre modimo ile sweu like awa, so at least ile foundation ile color ya hawa I jumpise wa bona I jumpise ishmo ngas fetsi pila o tlo bona yo o tlo irela nthengwe ya bora ish ya ba bona le ka mo side le le two ira ba ish ban disturbile ba don't disturb ha ish marina stress I love film na le don't disturb ha. Okay, so now this is what I advise na modimo lining ka foundation because really well then I jump easy for lining wabo. Iranga concealer modimo yeah over sharp, and then we brush along and then I blend that and then sharp or one step. So thank you for watching this video. So I hope you liked it. Whatever else you want me to show you, then I'll do a video on it. Okay, thank you, bye. Please subscribe, please follow me. Thank you, bye.